this very situation. And by this, the immunity will be sufficient. The vital reaction will be sufficient. By neutralizing all these traumatic situation, traumatic condition, and by this way, when we will be treated with this, firstly, then the first idea, the foremost idea, all these adverse, everybody will be free from all these adverse situations, which we have gained from ancestors, which I have gained it from medicines the physicians has given for removing our suffering, free from suffering. So that is the idea. So it is not unscientific, and it is the correct explanation according to different teachers. The masters, they are very much young person. They came and given this very idea. So this is the idea regarding carbapenem. But you can't tell regarding other medicine. This is hydroxychloroquine only for this. And this is the correct medicine. And this is arsenical. This medicine is like this. But why? No answer. No answer for this. One thing I previously mentioned, the treatment is going on with different therapeutic system only for result of the disease, mind it. And so many times we ourselves, our family, the ancestors have treated like this only for result of the disease. And that treatment due to result of the disease created trauma. Also creating trauma till today. That very arsenic, that very hydroxychloroquine or other antibiotics. Every medicine, maybe it Ayurveda also, as because all the medicines are using not due to COVID, for any problem. We are taking medicines only for result of the disease. And that very procedure is creating trauma inside ourselves. It is for, not for anyone. It is for everybody. When we are taking medicine for fever, when we are taking medicine for cold cough, when we are medicine for migraine, when we are taking medicine for anxiety, neurosis, sleeplessness, constipation, loose motion, for any type of result of the disease, we are taking medicine. You see, everybody is taking. Even doctor, the person, the authentic person who is giving medicine, who is treating himself, he or she also taking medicine for the result of the disease. And it is this very thing creating immunodeficiency. Mind it. And note this very important point, immunodeficiency. WHO, different experts have supported this very idea, what it is. Everybody should upgrade the immunity. Everybody should upgrade the immunity. But giving medicine for what? the result of the disease, again creating immunodeficiency. What it is? See, it is not a matter of love. They are telling, upgrade your immune system, but they are giving medicine which is creating immunodeficiency. Ask them, sir, what is this for? This medicine for? And this medicine for this. But why? No answer. They will again ask you, why you are asking? Are you a physician? I am a physician. If you know more than me, so go. Go. Otherwise, anywhere you go, you leave me. But fact is this, the medicine we are taking for upgradation of immune system, but that very medicine, other than carbophage, is used for treating, not for the disease, but for result of the disease, which is creating immunodeficiency. Then the helpless person will go where? Where they will go? They are feeling helpless. When the person go to the physician and begging help for him or her, and physician will give medicine which is creating immunodeficiency. Please note this point. For upgradation of immune system, turmeric powder. This is also for the result of the disease. And then you must tell, by taking this turmeric powder, all this medicine, patient is feeling better. But this thing will tell in future what is right, what is wrong. As because James Taylor Keynes has told very nicely, prescribing for the result of disease. When the medicine is given for the result of the disease, means other than 6 true disease, hypertension, diabetes, pain, joint pain, acidity, cold cough, fever, everything, constipation, diarrhea, everything, cyst, tumor, warts, piles, fistula, thousands of diseases are there, lakhs of diseases are there, and treating is done according all these things, not for 6 true diseases. That is why Keynes has told, prescribing for the result of the disease causes changes in the result of disease. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. What is going for the prevention of COVID, it also done his duty. Turmeric powder, it also done. All these things. Keynes has mentioned very nicely. If you medicine all this result of the disease, everything will be okay. Then Keynes has told what? After that, this medicine is not for true diseases. That is for sickness. That is why that very 6 true diseases become complicated. So you consider this point. What you are seeing, everything is okay. The saint is giving a beautiful water from Sas and Sas. That very Maulavi is giving water from Damdama. Someone is giving arsenic. Someone is giving camphor. Someone is giving hydrochloroquine. Someone is giving all this thing, like all these things. So everything has mentioned Dr. James Tyler Kane. It will be okay. No. At present, everything will be okay. What medicine you can take? No problem. Everything will be okay. So everybody is demanding, yes, my medicine is correct. My medicine is correct. My medicine is correct. But you have to consider that very point. This medicine is for a result of the disease or for true diseases. Very simple word. Again I am telling, is this medicine, it may be anything, is this for result of the disease or is this for true disease? As it is for COVID-19, so it is the result of the disease. So it will be okay now, no problem. Once one of my brother has asked, sir, everybody is demanding, he is writing, right? But now I am asking you, you please tell what is written in the book. Treatment, how treatment should be like this. Is it due to true disease or result of the disease? If my medicine is also for result of the disease, that medicine also creates immunodeficiency. And in future, that individual has to suffer a lot. Wait for those days. So no question of everybody is demanding, he is right. No question of that. It is a question of science. It is not question of therapeutic system. It is a question of science. All of you have to consider this very point. Your medicine for what? It is for result of the disease or it is for the true disease. So, this time all of you will show the fruit of the treatment, but in future, the coming days will tell what has going on with that very palliative or suppressive or the instant working like electricity, the effect of those very medicine. And you see one thing, how many infection you will treat? Now there is a COVID. 10,000, more than 10,000 virus is waiting for. So, then, according to my knowledge, we have to make a PPE not for COVID, but for all infectious and also for non-infectious problem. So, find out those way, find out the exact way for how all the infection you can fight against. You can fight against all these infection, non-infection disease. And what is the way? Now, the correct immunity, the exact immunity. Immunity should be upgraded. The vital reaction should be proper. That is in in one word, you have to remove the immunodeficiency with proper treatment. What I have told? The physician, we are the physician, the only duty is to remove immunodeficiency. That is upgradation of immune system. And in the language of homeopathy, the vital reaction should be proper. The vital force must be healthy. Then all the problem will be solved. Maybe corona, or maybe COVID-19, maybe 21, maybe 1900, maybe 19,000. The coming days they may come. And dengue already started. So all this infection is started only by our immunodeficiency, which is created by unscientific way of treatment, unscientific administration of medicine. You please understand this very point. Then COVID will go. No problem. Sir is telling very good proposal regarding COVID. But I think COVID is not a problem. No, COVID is not a problem. There are so many problems more than COVID, as because we are taking medicine day by day unscientifically. We are, each and everybody of us are taking medicine day by day unscientifically. Why? Now, we are taking medicine only for the problem. We are not taking medicine. Why this problem started? Very simple language. I think so. So there is no complicated expression. I think so. So do it. Do it, physician. You say, you physician, and do it for your patient. Then COVID will go by without any proper treatment. Only treatment is for upgradation of immune system. Only upgradation of immune system. And that is possible only with those medicine which is prescribed for the result, not for the result of the disease, but for the true disease. So if we want to save this paradise, then this very thing should be maintained. And all this information is, I am not telling, I am just copying. All these things is uttered by the masters almost 300 years ago. But there was no proper utilization. So, that is the suitable environment what COVID-19 has got. If the environment is not so suitable for this infection, COVID must not propagate like this way. The number of infection is increasing. What it means? So many persons are having under immunodeficiency. They are under immunodeficiency. What should we do? We must tell that we have to remove the immunodeficiency. That means immune system must upgraded. But medicine will be considering that very point. It should not for the result of the disease. It should be for the true disease.